Welcome to lecture number 6 of Vibe Coding 101 crash course. In this lecture, what we are going to do is replace this boring terminal that we just saw earlier with a cooler terminal that is something like this one. Let me bring it in this screen. That has a few more options. This is an absolutely optional lecture. You can skip it if you don't want to. But what this terminal does, it has a lot of things. Like, for example, if I go to, let me go somewhere that I can show you something. You can see there is some information in here. Like, literally, you can see my information of the processor, how many GBs of RAM it's currently using. I don't know what's actually using that much of RAM. And I can create multiple tabs and then I can switch between them like this. You can see I'm swiping between them. I can put terminals side by side like this. For example, I can go to, again, Vibe Coding 101 and, for example, go to Nihilus, see the files there, see the files here. So basically, that is something I would love to share with you guys. It makes my life much, much easier. Besides that, I see a few more information here. I can see that, oh, this is a GitHub repository. It's a Git repository. And I see some information. I see the folder name. I see the time when the last execution was done and so on, which is not available. Well, this is because I installed already iTerm2. But by default, if you go to these terminals, as I shown in the picture, probably you are already seeing a terminal like this. So in order to install iTerm2, you need to just go iTerm2 install or download. I've done it a long time ago, so I don't exactly remember which one is the right one. I think it's this one. So you download it, install it, everything happens. But there is something that you need to follow. For that, I would suggest to go and do one thing. I would suggest using ChatGPT. It makes more sense. And then search for this thing. Can you please show me how to install a nice theme for my iTerm2, which should have some Git information, some information about time, and just pimp up my terminal a little bit more. So I'm gonna search that and also turn on search on GitHub, on ChatGPT. And then you will get a series of commands that you need to execute. And by opening your old terminal or the new terminal that you have installed, this terminal, when you install it, it won't look as cool as this one. And then you need to go through this. Exactly, this is what I was looking for. Oh, my ZSH is the theme or the framework for managing the configurations. So you copy this, you go to your terminal, paste it, hit enter. I'm not going to hit enter so that it doesn't collide with my current ZSH configurations, but that's exactly what you will do. And then there might be, oh yeah, exactly. This is the power level 10K. This is exactly the one that I'm running. And if you also run it, shout out on LinkedIn or somewhere, and then we will kind of like cheers with our terminals so that we both have same terminal. And that's it. Like literally execute these commands, and then you should be good to go. You may need to restart your terminal. If it didn't work out, you just basically right-click, quit, and then it will ask you to terminate it, and then you restart it. You should see something. Like follow all these instructions as you see. There is this file called .zshrc, which we'll see during our course if needed, but that will do the job. And maybe I can quickly see, yeah, there are a lot of different themes in here. You can actually run a wizard. When you install it, it will ask you certain questions on how you want to customize your terminal. So with basically having that Oh, this is another terminal. It's okay. No edits. This is another camera. So with that, basically you will have a terminal that actually allows you to install things and run things and so on. Since this camera switched, I would like to share with you guys a small project that I'm running on my computer, which allows me to switch the cameras like this. If I switch the camera, it goes there. I switch the camera, it comes to my face camera from my laptop. And as I said, no edits, no edits. Sorry for this extra detour about showing you a tool I'm running and running literally screen recording and uploading it because I have 2 kids, 1 year and 6 years old, and I'm super busy. Besides all of that tight schedule, I locked myself here in this room to produce this course for you guys. See you in the next lecture.